Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to protect tabs and cells in Excel and literally have certain cells unprotected so you can type into those when the whole tab itself is protected. So let's see, so I've got some demo data here, and at the moment if I was to type anything in one of these cells, you can see, I can literally overtype that if I wanted to. So what we want to do is protect literally all of the cells in this workbook. So I'm going to put that back to normal, delete that out. And the way you want to do that is if you click on the tab that you're working on, right click and do protect sheet. And you see those tick boxes that we've got there, leave it as it is with default settings. And if you give it a password, so I'm just going to give it Excel, okay, and again, okay. And now when I try and type something, you can see that it pops up and says that we need the password to actually enter onto the workbook itself. So that's how you basically protect the tab. So when you don't want when you're dealing with sensitive information and you don't want anyone just to enter information into your spreadsheet, that's the way to do it. On the other hand, so I'm just going to unprotect that now again, put the same password in, unprotect. So on the other hand, you may have a situation where you want people to enter in specific cells. So let's say, for example, I'm going to highlight all of these because these are the ones that we want to allow people to enter into. So if you right click and go to Format Cells, Protection, and where it's got that locked section and it's got a tick in there, you want to untick that, click OK, and now follow the same sequence again. So go to the tab, right click, protect sheet, we'll give it the same password, and again, and now if I try and type, you can see that all this is protected, so you can't change that. But within segment, we left that unlocked, so if we were to type anything over that, you can see we can. So I'm going to put that, let's say Excel, and I don't know, whatever you want. You could say tabs. Yeah. So basically, that is the way to protect your workbooks and have it in a way where certain cells can only be written into. And yeah, hope you enjoy this video, guys, and remember to subscribe. Thanks a lot. I'll keep the material coming.